amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about this makeup brushes by Heymkgo. Thank you very much for sponsoring this product to me, and later my amigos and amigas, I will show you the brushes and I will use it in my face. So watch out for this video my amigos and amigas and enjoy! Going to show you the brush that I received from Heymkgo. So the first one is this one. This is the angle powder brush and angle brush. This one, and this the round one is the angle round brush. It has a little bit light color here at the top part, and this one is the tapered. Yes, a tapered brush, and this one, forgot the name of this one, and the other one, this one is the round concealer brush, and this, the last, is the flat eyeshadow brush. So this is the first group of the brush, then second group is, I'll show you here. The second group of the brushes that I received is this small fan brush, and the second one is this one is for, I think this one's for the mascara, is the spiral eyebrow brush, and the third is the angle eyeshadow brush, and this one I think this is for the lip brush if I'm not mistaken, and the other one I think this is a blending brush too, and this one's for blending, and the other one is this one. One of it is a detailed eyeshadow brush. So I'm not kind of familiar with all the brushes, but this one is for all the concealer. One of it is for concealer too and eyeshadow. Okay. Let's use this. I'm not expert doing my makeup, so I will just do a normal makeup to myself, simple only. So let's try this, my amigos and amigas. Amigos and amigas, using this 15 brushes from Heymkgo. What can I say on these brushes? I can say it's very soft, fluffy, and the brushes here, like this one, is very detailed in angle, and like this, the handle is very wood, I can say, and it's very nice. See, you can hold it securely in your finger, and the brushes like this one is even. I can say I like it, and when I received the product, some of the brushes are here in this small net, like the powder brush. I think they want to make secure of this one, not to loosen it, and I really like it. See? Yeah, and I can say it's very even in the upside most of the part here. When you apply in your skin, it's very soft, like this one. Okay, very soft. I like it. The handle too, I like it because it's made up of wood. And the packaging, I can say, is very good because they make it sure that's gonna be secured tightly. Like this one, they put in a nice green bag. Okay. So thank you very much, Heymkgo, for sending this product to me. I really like it, and this one is recommendable to all professional or beginner for doing their makeup. So I can say this one will be a great fit to me because I'm not good at doing makeup to myself. I can say this product is 10 out of 10 rating, and you can send this as a gift to your loved ones, to your mom, to your sister, and also to your friends. So I will put the link in the description box to check out their other product. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me!